Hey guys, it's Lizzy. Welcome back to another video. I'm with Gigi.
Hi.
So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a cozy fall evening. So we're gonna be going on a walk, and then after that, watch over the garden wall and like bake something and like paint, and then just do like skincare and stuff. So we're gonna have like a really cute cozy fall night. It's like raining outside, which is perfect.
I brought umbrella, guys.
Yeah, so it's gonna be super cute. So let's go on a walk. There's horses. They're so cute. Guys, look at the horses. They're coming closer. Oh my god, oh my gosh. That's actually get some milk. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so pretty. We're at the gas station. We're gonna get some hot chocolate because it's cold.
It's freezing. Well, it's not too cold, but
It's like perfect weather, I'm actually.
yeah. We're shopping at the market.
What should we get?
I don't know. Maybe a sandwich. Should we just get the sandwich?
Yeah, it'll stop.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a car.
Popo.
Anyways, we just got our hot chocolate. These are our fits. We're gonna walk to the trail.
Yes.
It's gonna be so pretty, guys.
It's gonna be
like
so beautiful.
we've just been walking there. We already seen like so many leaves. It's so pretty.
I know. I love fall.
Yeah. Anyways, let's head to the trail. It's falling. It's falling. Guys, I'm trying to film. It's not working. Oh, sorry. We're entering the little trail.
It's like a forest.
And look, it's so pretty. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Today is November 2nd, aka our favorite month of the whole year.
favorite month.
Like, November is just so pretty. Like, it's so underrated. I feel
oh
like
my
everyone just likes October and December, but November is like gorgeous.
November's way better, honestly.
I know. What?
Soggy, but cheers. Cheers, baby. Yeah, cheers again.
Hi guys, it's so dark.
We have to use Lizzie's.
Oh, we have to use my phone as like light.
There we go.
There we go. But I think we're just gonna walk for a little bit more because it's actually like getting really dark. Like guys, you can't even see. It's
Pitch
so
black.
dark. It's pitch
Like,
freaking black. Look, you can barely see her. Oh.
Puddle.
Yes, we're probably gonna head back soon.
Maybe we're just gonna have to enjoy the moment.
Yeah, it's so dark. Hey guys, so we got back from our walk like 30 minutes ago.
Yep.
And
it was
now,
so cute.
I know, it was so pretty. Like, you saw it. We're at Gigi's house now, and we're gonna try to watch Over the Garden Wall because it's like fall. And are we gonna paint?
We're gonna paint or draw. I don't really know if I have paints, but
Yeah, we're
we'll
gonna like
probably
draw while we watch. That is not funny.
Do I love the freaking Superman?
Oh, so cute.
Guys, she's so good.
Guys, I'm drawing Gigi.
Accurate or what?
just got back from Gigi's like 2 minutes ago, and I think I'm just gonna get ready for bed because I'm honestly really tired. I think it's like 11:40 and I've been up since like 8 this morning, so low-key I'm really tired. So I just got done in the bathroom, and now I think I'm gonna journal for a little bit and then read a book. I'm reading The Hunger Games right now, so I'm gonna read a few chapters of that, and I'm probably just gonna head to bed.